In 1895, gold miners flocked to the Mojave Desert to strike it rich in the town of Randsburg.
The mine is actually so big that most people can't see it.
In its heyday, more than 4,000 people lived here. Hotels, stores, and saloons lined the streets.
They had over 20 bars at one time in this town.
Today, though, Randsburg is just a detour off Highway 395 in Kern County. The old pit mine that sits above the city is empty, and the only place to get a drink in town is at the tavern on Butte Street, or at the Randsburg General Store.
This is the same recipe that's been used as far as I can think back.
Gold put Randsburg on the map, but soda kept it from turning into a complete ghost town.
Oldest continuously running soda fountain in the nation.
Really?
It literally has been continuously running since 1904.
Although soda was first served up in 1904, the General Store has been continually operating since 1896, and Brad Myers is one of the many different owners who have been taught how to make the handmade soda syrup, including the closely guarded sarsaparilla recipe.
I can't tell you, or I'm gonna have to kill you. So who wants to try it?
Never had a sarsaparilla before? Well, neither had my photographer, Rachel Kim.
It's really good.
I'm more of a cherry Coke kind of guy myself, but as Brad was making one up for me, he admitted that he doesn't follow the original Coke recipe.
Back in the day, you had to be a pharmacist to make sodas. Coke had cocaine in it, and all the other sodas had all different types of drugs in it.
There's no drugs in the soda today, and if you come during the week, there's generally no wait to get one. Not a lot of traffic in town.
Not a lot of traffic. We sometimes set a table and chairs here on the yellow line, and we offer breakfast in Randsburg for two.
Walk down Butte Street and you'll find that Randsburg really hasn't changed much, and that's the way locals like it.
Certain houses in town that are very modern inside, but the outside of the buildings still look like rundown old shacks.
Hollywood also likes the old look of Randsburg. It's been the location of numerous movies, including Chopper Chicks in Zombie Town, starring the young Billy Bob Thornton.
Hey, no! You're just a demon. You're just a demon.
And the more recent film made was Dog, starring Channing Tatum, who actually ordered a soda and a burger from the General Store.
2 double cheeseburgers.
2 double cheeseburgers.
Yeah.
Because of its remoteness, most who visit Randsburg come on ATVs or motorcycles.
It literally gives me about 95% of my income over the course of the year.
And if you come during the rainy season, visitors might just surf into town.
Occasionally, when the monsoons come through, you could ride a wave down this street. There's so much water.
It takes a special person to live in Randsburg. It's hot, it's remote, and it's a little old-fashioned.
This is still the Wild West out here.
But for some reason, the old soda fountain continues to draw people in.
From Randsburg, home of the oldest continually operating soda fountain in the nation, I'm John Bartell. Hope to see you on the Backroads. That's a good sarsaparilla.